Welcome to another Spanish class here at Edutin Academy. It is nice to see you again. Today we are going to learn about the verb to be in Spanish. This, as you may guess, is also important when learning Spanish. We hope you pay close attention and stay focused. Understanding the to be verb in Spanish is crucial for basic communication, expressing identity and characteristics, describing states and conditions, and much more. Now it gets a little tricky, but it is not difficult. Pay close attention to these lines and answer. How many ways are in Spanish for the to be verb? Yo estoy feliz. Yo soy doctor. Tú eres alto. Tú estás enojado. How many ways are in Spanish for the to be verb? One way, two ways, three ways. You got it! There are only two ways, but it is quite simple. Let's pay attention and get started. In Spanish, we use the verb ser when we talk about permanent or inherent qualities, nationality, professions, and general descriptions. On the other hand, we use the verb estar to express temporary states, locations, feelings, and conditions that can change. Let's start with ser. We conjugate ser as follows. Yo soy. Tú eres. Él, ella. Usted es. Nosotros, nosotras somos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes son. Let's see some examples. Yo soy colombiana. Tú eres profesor de inglés. Nosotros somos bailarines. Ellos son muy graciosos. Ustedes no son hermanos. Now let's move on to estar. We conjugate start as follows. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él, ella. Usted está. Nosotros, nosotras estamos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Some examples are: yo no estoy en la oficina. Yo estoy en mi casa. Camila está muy feliz. Mis amigos están en Europa. Nosotros estamos agotados. Now, let's see some examples to understand the difference between ser and estar. Yo soy estudiante means I am student. Here we use ser because being a student is a general description. Tú estás cansado means you are tired. In this case, we use estar because tiredness is a temporary condition. Él es de México means he is from Mexico. We use ser to express his nationality, which is a permanent quality. Nosotros estamos en casa means we are at home. Here we use estar to indicate our current location. In today's class, we explored the verbs ser and estar in the present tense. We learned that ser is used for permanent qualities and general descriptions, while estar is used for temporary conditions and locations. At the beginning, it could be a challenge for you to correctly use ser and estar in your conversations. The reason is because in English, it is the verb to be that works for both. But don't worry, with the constantly practice, you will master it in a short time. Congratulations on completing today's lesson. Now it's time to put what we've learned into practice. Get ready to showcase your skills. In the comment section below, write 2 sentences using the 2 ways of the verb to be we have learned today. Remember, the more you practice, the stronger you'll become. We are here to support your continuous learning journey every step of the way. Thank you for choosing EduTeach Academy. Hasta luego.
¿Te ha gustado este video? Te invito a continuar tu aprendizaje ingresando a eduteam.com, donde encontrarás más de 6,000 cursos gratis y con certificado. Además, podrás interactuar con personas de todo el mundo. Ingresa ahora o descarga nuestra aplicación móvil.